Get your hot water ready. Okay. Then get a bucket of cold water. Alright, guys. Brush your hair. Make sure there are no tangles. Make sure your hair is free of any form of tangling. Because once it is tangled and you put it in water, it's going to be a lot difficult to brush. And you end up losing most of your hair. So this is the first step that you must do, and it's very crucial and the most important step in revamping. Just watch, guys. Take a bowl of hot water, put it into an empty bucket. So I took about 2 bowls of hot water, and I'm taking another cup, or yes, another about 2 cups to 2 bowls of cold water to mix. But the temperature of the hot water should be hot, but not hot enough to burn your hands, but it should be hot so that it can be able to pull out the dirt from the hair and melt the oil in the on your hairs. So this is our shampoo. We're going in with our shampoo. This is the first step. I'm adding more water. You whisk it with a brush to make sure it foams. Then I'm going in with one of the hair. So just watch, guys, to see what I do, and make sure you do yours like this. So guys, I hold an in-depth training on this. I give an in-depth online training, online classes for wig styling courses of any course of your choice, and the kinds of hairs to revamp with hot and cold water. Not every hair is meant to be revamped with hot water, guys. The products to use that will make your clients, that will make customers to flood your shop, that will make their hairs extra soft, even better than when they got it. So this is me again. So that's the first round of washing. So I changed the water because the water was dirty. This is a new set of water. I put in my shampoo, and I'm going in again the second round. You're going to keep repeating this process until you have a clear water, until the water is no longer dirty. So keep watching, guys. Now we are done with the second round of washing, guys. So I had to change another water. You can see it, right? I poured the old one away and I brought in a new water. Now I'm using a very strong shampoo, stronger than the first one I used earlier. This has more quality, makes the hair more silkier and more softer. So you put inside hot water, a hot water mix and a cold water mix. Make sure the water is hot, but not hot enough to burn your hands. Then you go in again, you repeat the same process. So this is our black bone straight 26 inches. And I'm going in again. That's a 10 inches bob, a 10 inches bone straight bob, fringe bob. And I'm going in again. I'm going in again with the piano wig, with the piano color wig. So now, guys, you change that water. Make sure you change the water and bring in a new set of water. You can see this water is clean and clear. And you put in your conditioner. Make sure you use a quality conditioner for this, as not every conditioner is good for human hair. Get in your milk, your hair revamping milk. Put in 2 spoons. I use 2 spoons for this. And guys, there are also other things that are very necessary, crucial, that I didn't use here because those products were not available when I was revamping this hair. But these are the basics that you just need, that you can revamp your hair at home. But at the shop, at our salon, we use other things to revamp things. We use other quality products that makes the hair more softer, silky, and more cleaner, dirt free than this. So these are just basics to get you started at home. We are going in again, repeating the same process. So these are our 26-inch bone straight with a K closure, and I'm putting it inside the water now, inside the conditioner water. And you guys see what I'm going to do here, because this is different than when it was in the shampoo. So you're going to get your brush and you're going to be brushing all through the hair, detangling anything. Make sure it's detangled. Brush from up to down. Brush up to down movements. You're going to repeat this as many times as possible till you get a silky look. Your hair starts feeling silky and all that. You can see that I'm really taking time to do this than I even did when I was shampooing the hair. So now that we are done, you can see how it looks now, right? Yeah, just silky. Make sure you get that silky effect. So we're going in this the short hair, the short bulb, the short 10 inches hair. I'm doing the same process, brushing it. You see that the hair is beginning to look silky. Immediately enter the water, the conditioner with milk water. So guys, this is how to revamp yours at home. These are the basics, though you need more. You need more quality products to do it professionally, and also to make the hair long lasting. That before it's revamped again, it's going to take a long while. So I'm done with this. I'm done with the short hair now. You can see that there's a difference from before and after it entered the water, the conditioner water. It's more silkier, more soft. So these are our colored hair, and I'm going in, I'm repeating the same process, brushing from up to down and detangling, making sure I'm getting the products in every part of the hair. Now we are done. Okay. See that this process took a while than the first one, than the shampoo, because this is the most important step. So now that we are done, so look at this is what we have. Then you set it to, this is what we have. Then you set it to dry. Dry it under the sun so it can be dried. You see how silky now they look? I mean, it was very frizzy before when we started, but look how all silky now they are looking. softer to the touch and more silkier. So you dry it under the sun, and once it's dried, you should get something. It should be like this. You should get something like this. As soon as we're done with revamping, then we'll go to styling. So guys, this is the final step in the revamping. Thanks for watching. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.